Hello everyone, welcome once again to Aron Tech channel. Today we're going to look about how to fix your charging system. I'm going to show you how to fix a charging system for your Techno phone, any kind of Techno smartphone, and get ready for this. So here we have a phone, Techno phone. I'm going to show you how to work on it. So the phone does not charge. The problem is with the charging system. That means we have to change this unit, this charging system here, the port. So all we have to do is to open it and change it. So the phone is here. I've already opened it. As you can see, as I told you, it is the charging port which I'm going to change. It is this one here. The charging port is this. I'm going to change. The one I'm going to change is this one here. I have a new one here, so I have a spare here. The spare, I already got a spare, so I'm going to change it. Then to come back to life. So as you can see, I have a brand new. Yeah. So right now I'm going to start working on it. I'm going to remove this one and then I replace with the new one I have. It's this one here. Let's start. As you can see, I've replaced it already, and now I'm going to test it. So as you can see, we have changed it. Let's test it. I'm going to use a multimeter, the digital multimeter. I have it here to measure the volts that comes. It's supposed to bring 5 volts. So it's working. I'm going to put the battery back inside to fix everything and then try to charge it. I'm going to show you that it is already working. So here we go. It's working now. Yes. So thank you for watching that. Guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe for more videos. See you guys next time.